Bitches change, they act like I ain't all this. Getting money, nigga, that my main focus.
Well, finally get to make an actual gun video today. Got the 22. As you can see, we're all loaded up, ready to go. And got the target set up over here. Now this thing. And I got a deer target. And I've got this regular target we're gonna shoot at after. Yeah. So, you seen these right here. I'm gonna shoot at those because I want to see what it does. And I also got this just to shoot at store. So, yeah, let's get into it. I'll set the camera up somehow. I don't know how I'm gonna set it up, but I'll figure it out. I came up here because I thought I heard like something big walking around in the woods back here. Like it could have been a deer or something, so I wanted to check it out. Maybe get it on camera, but yeah, we'll go back down, start shooting. I gotta set up the camera before it gets dark and get this over with. But first, I'm gonna take a few shots at this target. I guess one magazine. We'll see how good I do. I'm pretty confident. And I'll be all the way back there, probably a little bit behind my case, past the fire pits. Then I'll set up this other target right here. Then we'll move on to snap bangs and then that old remote thing. Let me set the camera up and I'll start shooting. Let's see how I did. I was aiming a little bit high. I'll put the other target on here and I'll load it up. Alright. Unfortunately, I don't have, it's not big enough to get both sides of it strapped down, so this is just gonna have to do like this. I'll put the camera down and start shooting this. Alright, let's see how we did on this one. Alright, not too bad. Got one of them on the black rim, I don't know what you want to call it. Yeah, it's not bad. I got two in the center. And yeah, it's not bad. So, but I think I'm ready. I'm gonna set up these set up the snap bangs. I don't know if I'm gonna shoot the other thing today, but I'll set up the snap bangs and set them down here. Then we'll get into shooting that and hopefully get something cool. Maybe it'll do something cool, I don't know. I'll show you guys whenever I get it set up. Alright, I've got this set up. We're gonna see how much noise it makes. I've got That's the one I just threw on the ground, and that second one behind there, but this one's full, and then I got one more pack under that. So we're gonna see what it does whenever I shoot it. See what that did to it. Yeah, a lot of holes in the front. Let's open them up. Let's see. They're definitely popping. I heard them while I was shooting. Alright, let's open these up and see what they did. I'm gonna have to get my knife. Dang it, my phone battery's too low. I can't turn the flash back on, sorry. But let's see what it did to the bottom. I'm sure it did more to the bottom because that's where I was shooting a lot. Because you can see just from looking at it. Oh yeah, I destroyed these. Oh yeah, I destroyed those. Yeah. There was still some in there, but it's alright, I did good destroying those. Let's see what it did to the back. Oh yeah, this one's all ripped apart, you can see. There's still some in there, but yeah, I gotta get cleaned up. It's getting dark out here. I'll give you guys a little update. Hopefully the four-wheeler will be back soon. It's been like 8 months. Kind of sucks. Hopefully in the next week from whenever I'm recording this. What's today? Today's November 9th. I got my GoPro ready, my helmet, got all that ready. The Hero 7. I haven't gotten to record with that ever since I bought it early this year. This dang motorcycle keeps driving by. I'm gonna try and make more gun videos, maybe a hunting one. It'll definitely be posted on my Instagram more, the most probably, and Snapchat, so you can add me over there. Go hunting. I'll probably post some of it on there. I probably won't make a full video on it. I get like an extra phone charger or something, like a mobile charger. I don't know if that's what it's called. Hook my GoPro up if it dies or whatever, so I should probably do that. That'd be a good idea. Got some trails I want to go ride and shoot some more. I kind of want to make a full video with the muzzleloader pistol that I've been posting on my shorts. See you guys later. Hopefully the next video will be like a four-wheeler one.